Hi there, this is Paige, who is Stamp Girl here on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you the projects I made for the Use It Up Challenge 2020. And this is hosted by Beth, who is Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube. And it's more of an informal challenge, collaboration, if you will. You join in if you want to, and just use this hashtag so that Beth can find you and your videos on what she did. Okay, so in keeping with Christmas in July, I decided to make some Christmas cards. Little background on this: I used this kit from Stampin' Up. It's a Christmas tag kit. And it's an all-inclusive kit, meaning that it comes with a stamp set and a little Stampin' Spot, and then all the things you need to make these tags. Now, I like kits and I like tags, so I originally purchased this and then of course tucked it away on a shelf and forgot about it. And then as the end of the holiday catalog came near and they were retiring some things, or things were going on sale or on clearance, Rachel Tessman had a video. She's a demonstrator, a creative genius when it comes to card kits. She can take a card kit and double it or triple it or quadruple it and make the most amazing cards. But anyway, she had a video turning these tags into 50 cards. And I thought, oh, I've got to do that. That looks like fun. And so I ordered another kit, forgetting that I already had one. Well, as I was going through my stash trying to decide what I should use for my Use It Up thing, I saw this box and said, oh, I'll make some of these tags and follow Rachel's video. Well, then as I was going through another area in my stamp room, I found another box just like this, and so I ended up with two kits. I only used one for this video, so I have a whole nother kit plus some leftover pieces to use another time. But let me show you what I made. And I did copy her cards almost exactly. I mean, why reinvent the wheel when the genius already has a masterpiece, right? So I used some white card bases and some different colors, but I used the plaid paper from Stampin' Up, which is called Wrapped in Plaid. It was in last year's holiday catalog. Let me tell you, I had a lot of this left, and making these cards really dwindled down this package, so that was kind of fun. But anyway, I followed her cutting guides for cutting all the tag parts into pieces and separating them with what will go with what, and I just copied her designs. So she made 10 cards like this. This was one of the stamps in the kit, as was this, and one of the labels. This is popped up with dimensionals. This little gold accent piece was from the kit. This is one of the tags cut in half, and then this was just the added strip of plaid paper, and then accented with the gold glitter enamel dots. So there's 10 of those. Also with white card bases. I have these cards right here. And again, these are parts of the tags that have been cut apart and rearranged and put back together in a new way. This is some ribbon that was in last year's holiday catalog. And then some of the plaid paper. And then accented with a little gold enamel dot. And I put it in the same place she put hers. I thought that was just genius and so cute where she placed that. So I have 5 cards with that plaid and 5 cards the same with this plaid. And I guess all of these over here were the same plaid all the way through. Okay, then I used some shaded spruce cardstock for the card base, and this pretty plaid paper, these 2 plaids. And again, these are just some of the tags cut apart, rearranged, put back together again in a different order. And here's some twine from the kit tied into a little bow. So I've got those. And then on a navy card base, I have these. And so again, two different kinds of plaids. These were part of the kit. These gold reindeer popped up with dimensionals. This was one of the tags in the kit, stamped and popped up with dimensionals. Here's another gold accent. And then just some plaid paper. And then for the inside, on some of these darker bases, some of the, like the background pieces of some of the tags that were just white, just put them inside the card as a little spot to write on. So let me get that out of the way. Yeah, she is just a genius with details and turning something, a few things into many things. So here is another one where I have two different plaids, same card design. So this was part of a tag, and then another part that punched out and then went back in on dimensionals, and a circle punch, scallop circle punch that's popped up, one of the gold elements from the kit, and some gold glitter stickers. And then this was the back of one of the Christmas tags. So I love how these turned out. They're not original. I copied them from Rachel, but like I said, she's a creative genius, and I just love her crafting style so much that there wasn't any reason for me to change what she had already created on her own. So those are my 50 cards from a pack of tags that originally were going to make, I'm trying to remember, 30 printed tags turned into 50 cards by adding cardstock and some designer paper and a few other embellishments. So each of these made 10, and then she just, like I said, cut the pieces apart and rearrange different pieces together to come up with her own little designs and put them on the fronts of cards. I'd like to thank you for joining me, and now I'm off to create.